Okay, from last video, I posted a campsite making herbs for campers. The viewer asked me how you determine formula for each camper. It's a good question. Okay, in Chinese medicine, there's hundreds, let's say 200 common use herbs. We select formula from these 200 or 300 herbs, like about 10 or 15 different kind of herbs to fit each person. So originally, the Chinese medicine herbal formula should be custom made for each single person. So, but in the reality, I cannot bring 200 herbs, So my case, in my practice, I use common herbs, about 50 to 60 common herbs. So all my formula is coming from these 60 herbs. So if I take to the camp, I usually took like around 30 to 40 herbs. So these 40 herbs should be enough for most cases. Okay, how do we select? How do we make a formula? We check a pulse, we look at the tongue, and then check the body. And in my mind, I'm gonna make a herbal combination, which is a formula to this specific person. The process of making formula is depend on what the doctor's mind. Let's say, for example, if this person is telling me I feel low energy, I may think, if I'm the doctor, think, okay, if you feel low energy, I should boost your energy. So maybe I can put a ginseng or lingzhi mushrooms into it. Okay, I'm not saying it's wrong or right. I'm just sharing the mentality. Then the other doctor may say, okay, you say you have low energy, but you also have a lot of damps, like you are a little bit overweight, like kind of like a heavy body. So your low energy is caused by too much damps in your body. So I'm not going to give you any energy booster medicine, but I'm gonna go to you some water reduced medicine. So I will give Fulin, Baizhu, Zexie, whatever, those herbs to clean the moisture. Now you see, same person, same patient, when it see the doctor, the different doctor has different mind to prescribe a medicine. Nobody is right, nobody is wrong. Whatever make the patient better is right. That's how we make the formula for each patient. For the beginner, it might be a little bit tough because the patient could have many symptoms. You don't know where to start with. This patient will say, oh, I have insomnia, I have low back pain, I have fatigue. Can you give me a tea to help everything, right? So with maybe lower, not too much experience doctor may say, okay, you need energy. Let me put a ginseng. I'm just saying the simple name. Okay, there's not only ginseng. Okay, I'm gonna ginseng for your herbal for your energy. I'm gonna put a 酸枣仁 for your sleeping. Then I'm gonna put some move blood medicine for your pain. This person could do this way, right? But for higher experienced doctor may say, okay, you complain 3 symptoms, but all your 3 symptoms could caused by chronic fatigue, which is your spleen and kidney deficiency. So I need to wake up your spleen and tonify your kidney. So he will use some herbs has nothing to do with boost the energy, stop pain, or help sleep. He will use the energy to help spleen transport, right? So more experience you have, you will look at the symptom behind the symptom, like what caused that behind the symptom. It's almost like use your intuition or use your third eyes or use your whatever feeling to feel the patient, what's his complaint coming from. Then you make the herbs to the root. That's how we make herbs. In the experienced herbal formula, like a master herbal master medicine, Dr. Zhang Zhongjing, he only used like less than 10 herbs, each condition only less than 10 herbs, and it works really good. So that's why if I bring 30 to 40 herbs, I can make thousands of combination to fit hundreds or thousands of people. So it's doable to use a limited herb, but more precise, more target, more focused of the formula. I think I answered the question right now, huh? If you have any more question, just ask.